Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, Meta unveils AI models that convert brain activity into text with unmatched accuracy. Leveraging groundbreaking neural technology, Meta researchers developed AI models that transformed brain signals into text, vastly enhancing communication possibilities. These models employed magnetoencephalography (MEG) to record brain activity with high precision, achieving character decoding rates up to twice as effective as prior EEG systems. The advancements pinpointed when thoughts turn into words, providing a profound understanding of the neurological processes involved in language production. In fashion, this technology can revolutionize design and customer engagement, imagining a future where creators and consumers communicate ideas and feedback through thought alone, enhancing personalized and inclusive fashion experiences. News source: TechSpot. This new robot can do your laundry. Physical Intelligence unveiled p0, a robotic foundation model capable of mastering the art of laundry, from folding shirts to organizing wardrobe tasks. Harnessing internet-scale semantic knowledge and diverse robotic experiences, p0 became adept at interpreting physical commands, akin to how AI processes language. Through innovative training across multiple robot forms, p0 demonstrated proficiency in zero-shot tasks, showing an impressive capacity for adapting to new, untrained situations. In the realm of fashion, p0's capabilities suggest a future where robots can seamlessly manage inventory, prepare outfits, and personalize the customer shopping experience with unmatched dexterity and efficiency. News source: Weights and Biases. Safety sidelined at the Paris AI Summit and reduced digital access at New York Fashion Week. At the Paris AI Summit, the US and UK declined to sign a key declaration on unified AI regulation, deepening global fragmentation in AI governance. New York Fashion Week lacked a centralized digital platform, making public access to collections limited despite ongoing advancements in wearable tech and mixed reality. Digital integration at NYFW appeared inconsistent, as brands reverted to traditional formats, with some using social media but missing broader virtual accessibility. The absence of digital inclusivity at NYFW contrasted with wearable tech's potential, showing how brands could blend AI and AR for immersive fashion experiences while gaining actionable consumer data. News source: The Interline. An invisible mask, wearable air curtain treated to kill viruses, blocks 99.8% of aerosols. Unveiled a groundbreaking air curtain technology that blocks 99.8% of aerosols, offering a novel form of virus protection without the need for traditional masks. Leverage non-thermal plasma to sterilize the air, ensuring pathogens are inactivated before they reach the user, a method proven to eliminate 99% of airborne viruses in rigorous settings. Integrated the air purifying system into a wearable design, featuring a lightweight backpack unit connected to a head-worn device, promising both safety and comfort for prolonged use. This innovation presents immense potential for the fashion industry, reimagining the integration of health safety into wearable technology and opening new avenues for fashion-forward protective gear that blends seamlessly with everyday attire. News source: University of Michigan News. Unspun-Walmart launched 3D weaving pilot for work pants. Walmart partnered with fashion tech company Unspun on a pilot project exploring 3D weaving technology to produce workwear-style pants, promising a significant leap towards sustainability in garment production. The initiative aimed to reduce environmental impact by directly spinning yarn into completed garments, bypassing traditional, wasteful steps of cutting and assembling one-dimensional fabrics. Unspun's innovation had already demonstrated its market viability with high-fashion applications when Eckhaus Lada incorporated the technology in their New York Fashion Week lineup, signaling a new era for tech-driven fashion. This collaboration not only exemplified commitment to reducing textile waste and carbon footprint, but also marked a significant step in reviving U.S. manufacturing, marrying the goals of technological advancement with sustainable and local production in the fashion industry. News source, Sourcing Journal. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.